Hey everyone, just doing a quick review on the CCCEI wall organizer for power tools. I just put this together. Very straightforward, simple instructions. It comes with some mounting points, which is really cool. So once you're done putting it together, you basically just put this up against the wall, and it's the exact same specs for the mounting points back there, which is really cool. They make it easy to install. Came with all the tools you need, not much. But everything so far seems really heavy duty. I just didn't get a chance to install it on the wall yet. I'm trying to figure out where I want to mount this. But yeah, everything seems heavy duty. Power strips, nice, heavy duty. Even when I noticed when you plug the power brick in, it has a nice snap to it. So this is the typical size. This is a Ryobi 18 volts. So you can probably line up maybe squeeze three of them up here, and then obviously once this is up in the air, you can hang your tools upside down in here. Like I said, I just didn't get a chance to mount them yet. And then you can also combine these. So if you want to do more than one, they actually made it modular, so you can combine two of them or multiple ones together. So yeah, that's the CCCEI wall organizer for power tools. Once I find the place for this, I'll get this mounted up. And yeah, so far heavy duty, nice and solid. Definitely check this one out if you're looking for a organizer for your power tools in your garage.